Good morning, everybody. It's been more than a month, maybe 5-6 weeks now, I guess, but I finally took delivery of my 2 razors from Backroads Gold that I bought off of eBay. I paid $25 each for them. One is a 1963, one is a 1968. Now, I don't know which one is which. I have not opened these yet. This is a purely, what's the word I'm searching for? Purely unadulterated review. Okay, I haven't seen them. I've seen pictures, but they just came a little bit ago, and I wanted to do this video. I wanted it to be raw. I wanted to be real. I wanted to be 100% truth. So thanks to Chris Spencer at Backroads Gold for doing these for me. And yeah. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and open these. Like I said, I don't know which one's which, so we'll take the top one first. Ooh, which one? Can I tell? Let me tell you guys first that the reason I bought 1963 and 1963 and 1968 is because 1963 is the year that Tomoko was born, and 1968 is the year that I was born. Now, I bought these to basically to have on display, but I'm going to use them. All right, let's start with this. We got the little card from Chris. It says Slim Adjustable N2. Okay, that one's mine. That's mine. N2 3/17/24. So March 7th. Replay. Okay, so it's just been a month. Okay. Replay nickel and 24 karat gold. Ooh. Okay, it doesn't say tune up, so I guess it didn't need any. I guess it didn't need any repairs. So I hope it didn't need any repairs. I hope you didn't send me something that's broken, Chris. But I suspect that he checked it before he did replay. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, here we go. What is it? Is it a bag? Oh, okay, it's in a little bag. Okay, let's see. Okay, well there's the packaging. Okay, all right. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Nice. Nice. You know, the camera doesn't really pick up the difference in colors there. Silver and gold, right? Nickel and gold. Wow, that's really nice. That's really nice. Let's give her an open. Chun chun chun. Chun chun chun. Okay, smooth all the way around. Let's try the adjust dial. Right now it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Little tight, but I guess that's okay. I've got that 1966. It's brand new, and it's not as tight as these things. But yeah, cool. All right, thank you, Chris. That is awesome. Beautiful. Okay, let me put it back in the bag here for safety's sake for the moment, and put it back in the box. Okay, and then, oh, I wonder what's in here. Let's see. Start with the card. You know what, guys? I don't need glasses. I need longer arms. Let's see. Slim Adjustable I1. Yeah. 3/7/24 replate and nickel and 24 karat gold. Okay, now this one, guys, mine was the nickel and gold. This one's also nickel and gold, but it's going to be the reverse of what mine was. So, oh, I see it through the bag. Okay, here we go. Cool. Oh, look at that. You know, now usually, I'm not usually into the bling bling type thing, like gold and crap like that. Like on a guitar, I can't stand gold parts. But wow, this is really nice. Wow, look at that. I hate to get fingerprints on it. Cool. Gold and nickel. It's got the nickel down the center, nickel on the sides. Is that picking it up? All right, let's try this one. Okay, boy, that was tight. Okay, that works fine. Ooh, man, I don't know, Chris, maybe that needed a little bit of adjusting there. That's a little tight. Let's try the adjust dial. That's very smooth. Okay. Tighten this down again. Guys, I'm really having to muscle that closed. That's, I don't know if that's good or not. I have no idea, but it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Yeah, that's really tight. That's really tight. God damn, that's tight. Anyway, they look great, and I hope they shave great. Let me get mine back out. And so there we go, guys. The 68 and the 63 twin, opposite twins. Looking good, looking good. So I want to thank Chris at Backroads Gold for doing this for me, and thank you for the giveaway. And I'm sure Jonathan thanks you for the giveaway. And guys, if you're wanting to have your razors redone at a really good pace, oh my God, Chris picked these up on a Tuesday and they were shipped out to me on Friday. Maybe that's why that doesn't work. No, I'm just kidding, Chris. Yeah, that's really tight though. Hopefully that'll loosen up with use. Yeah, it's really tight, really tight. I mean, I'm a strong guy. It's taken a lot of my power to close that. All right. Anyway. All right. Very nice. Thank you, Chris. Thank you guys so much. So guys, if you're interested in having your razor replated, send it off to Backroads Gold and Chris will take care of you. All right, guys, that is it for now. We'll catch you all later.